we're gonna go to some bag reviews or bag talk, because I'm a sucker for bags. I have heaps of bags. Yeah, most of them are also for sale. Sea to Summit, sorry. Bag case. No, shoe case. So you can put your shoes in here. Got two shoes, a pair of shoes. Yeah, sorry, English is not my native language, so you can chuck them in here. There's your shoes. It's hidden. No dust, no dirt on your other stuff. It's for traveling. It's made of Cordura fabric. Sea to Summit. I like the black one, but there's no stock, so I'm just gonna use this. Still good though. Still good. Okay. The next one is they have these. What do you call this? Hold it. So they call it the garment mesh bag. So what it does is if you're traveling, you can put in your clothes so that they won't be running everywhere on your bag. You can put your clothes in here, organize it properly, put them in good, and they won't be all over your bag and they won't be crumpled. Some are gonna be crumpled, but not that crumpled. Yeah, they come in a lot of sizes. I have two sizes here, one for the main compartment and one here is for the smaller compartment. Another one is the Sea to Summit toiletry bag. So you open it up, you can put your toiletries. It's made of Cordura fabric. It's really good. I like Sea to Summit stuff because they're really good, especially for travel. What I like about these is you can hang it, put on all your toiletries everywhere. Have a case in here. Have a case in here. And have another case. It has lots of pockets. And if you open this part here and flip it out, and I forgot to remove this part here. It has a mirror. Here, you can fix your hair with a mirror. Yeah. So I'm not gonna remove traveling light. So yeah, traveling light is fun because I travel with a lot of stuff. I travel with a lot of gears like my Mavic, my computer, 2 cameras. So I'm hoping I can size down on my gears, like bring on only 1 camera. So I used to use only the 70D, but when I'm shooting low light, it's not really what I wanted. It's not full frame, it's not high ISO. So I'm excited as soon as the 60 is gonna come. Booyah! Okay, so here it is. And there's one more. So here they call it the Osprey Farpoint 40. There you go. So it's a travel bag. It's not a outdoor hiking bag like my North Face Terra 40, which it's a top loader bag for climbing, mountain climbing. This has been to Mount Apple twice, I reckon. Well, I need to replace this stuff. Anyway, this is one of my cool bags. Still love it, still keep it. It's all dirty colored everything, but it's still good. So this one here is the Osprey 40. So I'm gonna show you, put down. Okay, here it is. So how this bag works is it's the 40-liter version. when you open the bag, it's side loading, front loading, I mean, just like, so you put all the stuff there, clip them together, like, if you have these, you have your clothes, you have these, put it there. I think this is too big, oh, this is just right. So you have your clothes there, get this strapping, strap it. So your clothes won't be going everywhere. So what's nice about this one is, yep, has bright colors. That way if you lost something, if you place something in here which is so tiny, you would be able to see it, would be able to find it. No worries. So yeah, this one here is a lifetime warranty, but I see in the packaging it says 2-year warranty. And here it is. So it's just so simple, just like a bucket. Place your stuff there. It has a frame, working some metallic frame or carbon fiber, I don't know. So it has a frame there. It has mesh compartment here if you want to place something like your laundry or anything that you can think of. You can put it here. Laundry's good because the smell's gonna come out, won't affect the other clothes. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. Anyway, it's a pack here, so it's just so simple. And then when you go to the front part, by the way, the zippers has locks on them. If you go to the front part, you see that there's a 15-inch laptop compartment there. 15-inch MacBook. It's still so, there's a lot of space there. Voila. And it has a smaller compartment here. Let me see if I can fit my... So it has a small compartment here. Okay. No, I can't fit my 11-inch. So it has to go somewhere. Anyway, nice to know. So it has a compartment here, laptop compartment, mesh compartment here. Oh, no, it's padded compartment. And then, yeah, you need to put organizers to put your stuff in here, but that's good enough. That's the least of my worries. As long as there's a laptop compartment, it's not at the back. Most of the bags have their laptop compartment at the back, wherein you have to fish through all your clothes. This one's here in front, so that's good. And the front part, there's a small bag here for passport, anything you have, you can put it in front of you here. Oh, weird material. 2 water bottle containers here. So what's nice about it, if you're gonna pack your clothes, you can open wide, put things on it. Like the mesh compartments, you can put your mesh compartment there. You can put your shoes on the bottom. You can put another mesh compartment here. So it's still a good fit. And you can close the bag. Okay, close the bag. And then the zippers are not that smooth, so that's one of the things I noticed, but I haven't used this yet. Have anchors here, then anchors here, and you can see the zippers are hidden, so it's in good way to hide the stuff. And then it's with this strap here, you can strap it in this part and then strap it to the other part here. You can use it as a side carry-on bag. It has a mesh handle and another mesh handle here. So if you're on a plane, you want to put this on top, hold it here, chuck it there. And if you're tired of holding this bag with your hand or with your shoulder, if it's too heavy, then you can open the back part. And you can see it has the straps on. All you have to do is roll this thing. Roll it. Hide it underneath. And thank goodness to Velcro. Just have to, wow. Just put the Velcro up there. Am I doing this correctly? I should be doing this correctly. Put in the Velcro there. There's the bag. So you can use it. Okay. So the 55 version has a removable day pack here, but it's not a carry-on size bag, which you can bring with you on the plane. This one's for traveling, so you can bring it with you on the plane, put it in the overhead compartment. That's what's good about it. You don't need a day pack, because in reality you won't be using the day pack, because the day pack's gonna be bulging here, and it's gonna, yeah, disrupt your balance. So might as well clip it in front. You can clip the day pack in front, but yeah, I was thinking I don't need it. This is much better. 40 meters traveling, pack light. I'm excited. Let's do this. So yeah, that's it. The Osprey Farpoint day pack. Just want to close it again. So again, if you're in a plane, you don't want this to be flying everywhere, getting stuck. So just close it. It's gone. Awesome bag. Ciao. That's it for today. I don't have an ending. Oh, one more thing. If you guys are interested with this tablet here, I'm not using it. Yeah, I'm gonna think of something. I might give this away, but I don't know. Do you need this? If you need it, send me a message. Tell me what you're going to do with it, how you're going to use it. I might as well give this to you. Okay? So it's a Wacom bamboo. You can use wireless, but I don't have the wireless because I'm using it. So yeah, if you want this, I can give this away. I can sell it. I can do, I don't know. I don't know. Just tell me what you can do about it. Just tell me if you really need it. I might give it to you. Yeah.